Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by doing a quick power audit so the fixes target the real drains. Open Settings and check battery percentage and app usage. This shows which apps are consuming CPU and screen time. Once done, enable low power mode or battery saver for instant gains. Make sure to toggle off radios you do not need, Bluetooth, NFC, Wi-Fi, mobile data, because radios consume energy even when idle. This gets you immediate battery relief and clear next steps. Next, optimize the settings and apps that use the most power. First, adjust the screen. Lower brightness to about 30% or enable adaptive brightness, and set screen timeout to 15 to 30 seconds to cut display usage. Then manage apps, disable background refresh, location access, and push notifications for heavy hitters. Force stop or uninstall any rogue app that spikes CPU. Once done, switch to dark mode where supported and update apps, because newer versions often improve battery. Finally, adopt advanced habits and know one key troubleshooting move. Use airplane mode in low signal areas because searching for towers burns power. When you return, disable it. Calibrate the battery about once a month, reboot weekly, and charge with the original charger to protect battery health. If you still see rapid drain, update the OS, boot into safe mode to isolate apps, and if nothing helps, consider a battery replacement. That usually fixes persistent, unexplained loss of capacity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.